Hey, I'm excited today to be able to share this moment that I'm committing myself to be able to help new content creators. If you kind of person wants to start a YouTube channel and you've been wondering how you can do that, you've been waiting for maybe a go ahead, I would say yes. If you want to start a YouTube channel, please, this is your moment that you have to just click record and start with what you have. Just a smartphone like what you have now is what is capable able to do that, and then have a little bit of a lighting that you can use. So today I'm committing myself to be able to help somebody like you. If you wanted to start a YouTube channel and you don't know how to choose between the personal brand to a business brand, oh, to look at how can you be able to, what tool be able to use to design your channel banner, or how can you be able to design your logo, and you're wondering on how best you can be able to optimize your channel so that you can be able to surface in the search engine. So this is your moment. See, in this channel we're committing ourselves to be able to help people like you to start from zero and grow your community, your message and your brand, and make impact with the power of video. Please, if you're excited, you want to be part of this journey, please subscribe, because we're going to open opportunity to be able to take around like 20 people in each challenge and be able to guide them through step by step, from creating your channel, through designing your logo, your channel ad, and then coming up with your first video. We're able to help you and give also the tips and the tools that you need for you to press record and publish your video and also promote it. So please join this challenge by subscribing. If you also wanted to see how far these creators are doing and how they're progressing, please, because here they're going to give their feedback on how they're performing and also have a little bit of help them in the way throughout the process. So why me? My name is Pawolakol. I'm a certified social media strategist with 5 years of experience managing and growing social media accounts of businesses and non-profit organizations. So I've now committing myself to build a community and build a brand and a message in this online world. So I am here also. I've started already a channel that I'm working on, and my channel is growing. And I'm also having this particular channel that will be able to also help the new content creators, because as social media strategies, I was able to study these social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitch, Instagram, and different kind of social media platform and how they perform. So now I am going to give you this wealth of knowledge to help you also build your brand, your message, and your influence with this online video. Please subscribe. See you soon.